Let's go!
Let's go!
Hey guys, this is ZMLZ and welcome back to another vlog. So here we are walking in the skywalk of Seaside Mall to the arena. We took some photos here and there on our way to the arena. Super excited about this event because this is my first concert ever. And with Ate Faye.
Wow, it's so nice, guys! Yes! I will video you. Okay. Hi, Faye! Oh, so cute and pretty.
Hi guys! So we're going now to our seat. Yeah. Layo kami guys, nani sa pikas. Yeah, nani sa pikas na sign.
Hey, there me.
Oh my god. I was not expecting this arena to be really spacious, and it was full of blooms and a lot of fans of BINI, and we had to take pics of course on our pre-show. So excited to see BINI on my first time here in arena, and the countdown was really just making me more nervous and more anxious about seeing them in real time. And this was their grand entrance. It was just so nice. You wouldn't really think that we were sitting in the upper box area because look at them, they're so close and it's just so spectacular. One thing I'd like to comment on though is that we couldn't really see the LED because of the speakers and the blocking wires and bars. Nevertheless, it was such a fun experience. And that was just the beginning of their wonderful concert. Keep watching so you don't miss the fun. Halfway into the concert, they changed into their Coachella outfit. They were too gorgeous. Just look at me and Ate Faye jumping around in all of their songs. Snippets of their performance. I was totally debating if I should put all of the videos, but this vlog would be so long. So before I show you the BINI Pan-Tropical dance break, here's me and Ate Faye dancing to it. And here's the original version. Best things I've ever experienced in my life. So thankful for Ate Faye and my family for supporting me in joining my first concert ever. I had so much fun. Thank you Ate Faye, and thank you Mama and Papa Eman and Mama Yiginging for hatuting us. 2 hours was too short for this concert, but of course everything comes to an end, and thank you so much for watching our vlog. Here's us having our post-concert fit check, and thank you so much for watching. This is Zimalzi, and please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you!